Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So let's talk about blogs today, right? What a blog can do for you. Okay, well, you have to look at a blog as two things. One, authority, brings you authority because you have content around your company. Number two, how you use that blog to then drive traffic into what you're doing. Those are really the two major benefits there. And as long as you're doing those two things with that blog, what's going to inevitably happen is that's going to help you grow your presence and also bring top of the funnel leads in to your business through that blog because it's getting you that attention. So blogs are great. I highly recommend them. And it just comes down to having the time to write. We got this wonderful thing called ChatGPT. Use that to support your blog. Hope that was helpful. See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.